2025 has seen a surprising shift in global finance as central banks ramp up their participation in eurozone bond sales. What does this mean for the future of global currencies? Official institutions, including central banks and sovereign wealth funds, have already purchased 20% of eurozone government bonds issued this year. That's up from 16% in 2024. A significant sign of growing confidence in the euro. In March, central banks took 55% of Germany's 30-year bonds and 27% of Spain's 10-year bonds in May, both reflecting major shifts in investor behavior. The US dollar, the world's traditional safe haven, has been under pressure, losing 9% in 2025. Amid trade tensions, economic uncertainty, central banks are looking for alternatives. The euro has surged 12% this year, and the European policymakers are seizing the opportunity to boost its role as a reserve currency, with central banks diversifying their holdings. Asia has emerged as a key player. Central banks from the region are increasingly confident in European debt, thanks to low inflation and political stability in Europe. Despite growing interest, major shifts in currency reserves are still cautious. Central banks remain predominantly US dollar focused, but a long-term shift towards euro-denominated assets seems to be becoming more apparent. While it's too soon to fully predict a shift away from the dollar, the increased demand for eurozone bonds marks a pivotal movement. As central banks diversify their portfolios, the euro's potential as a global reserve currency is becoming undeniable. But only time will reveal how significant the change truly is. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such currency updates.